So basically, we are talking about conjunctions. I'll just give you a brief idea. Conjunctions are words that connect, a part of the sentence with B. Basically, it connects two part of the sentences or two different sentences. It connects or joins basically, and just to make complete sense. It can join clauses. It can join phrases also. Your book says conjunctions are words that join words or a group of words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. So two different sentences can be joined together by a conjunction, and it makes one long, meaningful sentence. Couple of words can be joined together in a sentence to give complete meaning to the sentence. Two parts of phrase can be joined together. Phrase is a sentence that gives meaning but not complete meaning, And clause is a sentence which gives complete meaning. It has a subject, it has a predicate, so this is a difference. Don't confuse yourself. This will be taught in detail. But as of now, just remember that conjunction is a group of words that joins two parts of the sentences or words or phrases. So subordinate usually means the easiest meaning of subordinate means helping. When you're helping each other. So we are talking about subordinating conjunctions here. Your book says conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. So helping conjunctions basically means when a conjunction is used to give or a conjunction a word which is put in a sentence so that it gives complete meaning to the sentence. you know that is a helping or a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction join the main clause to the subordinate clause. Basically, when you have two parts in a sentence and when you are joining two separate sentences, yeah, and then when you're joining it with a conjunction, that becomes a subordinating conjunction. So this will be on page number 72. Example, one of the examples is, although the rainy season is over, we get occasional showers. You know, although the monsoons have finished, but then still we are getting rainfall sometimes. So the main sentence, the main clause, the main part of the sentence is, we get occasional showers now and then. And what helped this part of the sentence to give complete meaning? Although the rainy season is over, we cannot break these two sentences separately, because if you're breaking, it does not give complete meaning. You have to join so that it gives complete meaning. So the helping clause here is, although the rainy season is over. Now we are talking about how to use a word, a conjunction which is helping the sentence to give complete meaning. In that process, page number 73, subordinating or helping clause, subordinating conjunctions clause depends on the main clause to make its meaning clear. That means one part of the sentence has to be joined with the other part of the sentence to give complete meaning, and the conjunction which is used in that is, say for example, although, where, things like that. Yeah.